Hello everyone. In today's video we'll discuss the uses of hydrogen. So in the previous video we have discussed about the properties where we discussed the physical properties and the chemical properties we discussed in the previous video. In physical properties we discussed about the physical nature, tasteless, colorless, odorless nature of dihydrogen. In chemical, we study about how it does it react, whether it reacts in the form of H plus ion or it reacts in the form of H minus hydride ion or it forms a covalent chaining bond. And we studied reaction with the dihalogens or oxygen or nitrogen. We studied the reaction with the organic compound and some other thing. So in this video, we'll discuss that how what are the different uses of dihydrogen. In the previous video we have discussed some that how it is used to synthesize ammonia, that is by Haber's process. We discussed with the reaction in the reaction of dinitrogen with ammonia. We discussed how dinitrogen with hydrogen, how ammonia is formed and how ammonia is so important as we use it as a fertilizer or in the generation of some other chemicals like nitric acid. And we use hydrogen in the conversion of unsaturated organic compounds to saturated ones, that is the formation of ghee from vegetable oil. We discuss how we can generate chemicals like methanol by using hydrogen as our starting material. So these are some of the uses of hydrogen. And we can also use hydrogen to form HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. How we can do that? We can react hydrogen with halogens. We studied the reaction with the dihalogens. So HCl basically chlorine gas. This Cl exists in the form of chlorine gas. So H2 plus Cl2 reacts to form 2HCl, which is hydrochloric acid. So it is used in the formation of hydrochloric acid. I discussed that how hydrogen is used to react. Hydrogen is used to extract metals from the surface. That is how it reacts with the metal oxides. That means that the ores. So metallurgy is the process where hydrogen is used to extract metal from the earth surface, that is from the ores. So it is used for that. Also hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form H2 as the byproduct, and energy is released. Because of the energy released, the reaction, the hydrogen is used as a fuel, and it is used in the rockets because it is a green fuel. How it is a green fuel? Because the byproduct here we get is water. It is not polluting the environment. Okay, that's why it is a green fuel and it is used in the rockets till now. So maybe in future we'll use it as for the daily purposes in our cars and other things. So the other thing that to notice is the hydrogen. I discussed in the previous chapter, previous class, no, previous video, that hydrogen bond is the higher has the highest bond enthalpy among the single bonds like Cl, Cl, F. So it has the highest bond enthalpy, and the value for the bond enthalpy is delta H is equal to 435 kilojoule per mole at room temperature, that is 298 Kelvin. So it is used as generating electrical energy in the fuel cells, and it is greener as it releases H2 as a byproduct. Also, the energy release in case of hydrogen is much more greater than the gasoline, that is the coal product and petroleum that we use. Gasoline, if we do comparison, then the hydrogen released, and the hydrogen releases more energy. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. We discuss about the uses of the hydrogen, and in the previous video I discussed their chemical properties and the physical properties. We'll start with the hydrides in the next video. So thank you.